Hey guys, today I want to show you Graceliving's can opener. So it might seem like just a simple item that you have in your home, but I think about our grandparents. When they had items like this, they would purchase them for decades to come. And so when I feel Graceliving's can opener, this feels very strong. The stainless steel is going to last us for a very long time. The handles are stainless steel coated in TPR, so you get a really good grip. And then again, this whole stainless steel portion here is just gonna make opening cans so much easier. So if you have a can opener that is maybe aluminum or plastic, or it's not stainless steel, sometimes getting that initial crimp can be really hard on your hands and your grip strength. Having this be stainless steel can really help grip it well. And then your blade here is gonna go and give you a really good blunt strike into that can. So let's take a look here. We also have just our traditional bottle opener here, which is nice. And then you have this great magnet so that when you're cutting this, you don't have to cut the can all the way open. You can cut it where there's a little bit of a tab, and then use this metal piece to actually lift it open. All right, so let's take a closer look. All right, and then it just easily glides right across the can. All right. Okay, and then we're just gonna use this, magnet to help pop it open. Perfect. Strong magnet in there, it's just gonna help pull it all the way open. One of the other things I like about this is that the way that this sharp edge and this other metal piece go, it really makes the edges of your cans on the inside very, you can't even feel where it was cut. Sometimes with cheaper can openers or ones that have gotten old and dull, you can have a bit of you can feel it in there where the cut has been, and it can sometimes get a little bit sharp. So I do appreciate that this one does not have that. But overall, this is a great quality item. And again, it's so simple because it is a can opener, but I think back with my grandparents, when they purchased items, there was only quality items available. So what they were purchasing was gonna last them for decades to come. And I put this in that category as well. Graceliving did a great job putting this together. It's a great high quality item and a great value.